Hey guys, I have the Apollo Jewelry Surprise Box, and this is $30. They did send me this for review purposes, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and share it with you guys. It came in a big white envelope, and then inside, this is the box itself. I think it's super, super beautiful and cute. It's just plain white with the bow on top, but it kind of just really, you know, takes it to another level as far as the packaging goes. So when I open this up, this is what it looks like. It has two different little pamphlets in here, and then it has tissue wrapping with a little sticker that says Apollo on it. So the first thing in here, it says a starburst ring. It says all eyes will be on you when you burst on the scene with a sparkling starburst ring. A classic look for daytime. So it says you can layer it, and then it says the Starburst Lorette necklace. So it is a star is born. It is a brilliant sparkler, and it says it is made of 925 silver with zircon accents. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see how it's packaged on the inside. So first thing in here is, it says Scream Pretty, and it's a little box, and it has the ring inside. So the ring is one of these rings that opens and closes, so you can actually adjust it. Seems to me that it's just fantasy jewelry. Yeah, it doesn't say anything on the inside at all. So this is just fantasy jewelry, so you can just adjust it to whatever finger you want to put it on. It's super cute and simple. And like I said, this subscription is $30. And then the other little box has a little sunflower on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, so this goes together, and this is silver. So let me just double check and make sure it says 925 on here. Yeah, it says 925, so it is silver. Obviously, I won't know until like the long run to see how long it actually lasts on me, but trusting them 100%, it is silver based on what it says that it's 925. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh God, I really like that. That is very, very beautiful. And it has just like little sparkles that hang down. I did put it on the tightest setting. Let me go ahead and open it up a little bit more, just because I feel like that's a little too tight for my neck, but it is adjustable, so there are different little hoops on the back, so you can definitely adjust it. Okay, so I adjusted it just so it's a little bit more comfortable on me, and that is what it looks like. So you get two pieces of jewelry for $30. This one's actually silver and this one isn't, so this is fantasy jewelry. I think that for this necklace, I think it's worth it for the silver aspect of it because it's gonna last a long time. And the other thing in here is it says it's a complimentary gift. So part of the box also came with a little tiny white box, but inside of there was this, and this is a jewelry box, and I think it's super cute. It has a little heart on it, zipper, and then when you open up, it's like the Tiffany color. It has a little space to put jewelry here, and then it has a little mirror, and then it has for rings and more space for jewelry. So this is super cute to travel with right there. Super compact, and you can take quite a bit of jewelry in here, and this is worth $10. So in total, they say that this ring is worth $19.25, the necklace is worth $29.98, and the complimentary jewelry box in the box is $10. So in total, it's $59.23, the total value, and the subscription is worth $30. So you're saving basically $29.23. So I wish the only thing with this is that I wish the ring was also silver. That would just like take it up a notch and really make me feel like it's getting, like you're getting your money's worth. But I do feel like this necklace is absolutely stunning. For $30, I feel like this is the main piece, and then the other two things are like add-ons, you know. Let me know what you guys think as far as the pricing goes. Are you kind of like me that you wish that the ring was actually like silver as well? I'd love to hear back from you guys. Are you interested in this? I will leave their a link and information down below if you guys are interested in subscribing to this. As far as the pricing goes, I'd love to hear back from you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's worth the $30, or do you think it's too high priced, or do you wish like everything was silver like I was saying? I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below if you want to keep seeing more unboxings. And let me guys know if you guys like these jewelry unboxings. I've been getting quite a bit of feedback from companies offering me these boxes, and I don't know if it's something that you guys are interested in hearing about or if it's something that I should skip on. So let me know down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.